Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. I'm Lauren Rabin. On today's show, we're featuring oatmeal. Joining me in the kitchen today is Dr. Kristen Gillier and Chef Anthony Bonett, who will be showing us how to make healthy meals your whole family will enjoy. Chef, what are we making today?
Steel cut oatmeal, longer cooking time, a lot longer cooking time. And you can avoid that by doing some prior steps, which I'm going to show you how to do. So you just take boiling water.
Okay.
Okay. You pour your boiling water over your steel cut oats.
So the raw oats.
You could just cover it.
Oh, okay.
Leave it for a couple hours. It really helps with like achieving a much softer texture.
Nice breakfast that has protein, fiber, get you going in the morning, last throughout the day.
Yeah.
It seems to be a choice that a lot of kids love. My grandson, he literally eats oatmeal every single day. The other thing, we're going to try to work in some vegetables into the children's. Put a little bit in there. That's for the adults, and put some into the kids
whole thing?
too.
Just half and half?
Yeah, let's do half and half. That's fine. You see I have some chopped broccoli here we're going to add into it. So if you want to put some of that into there, I'll take that. Let's see how we do.
And what about some seasoning for the kids? Can you add salt and pepper?
I think so, yep. Because we're going to be seasoning for the oatmeal too.
Okay.
So, you know, you can always add more at the end.
Okay.
You want to go ahead and put your carrots in, Doctor? Yep, throw your carrots in for the kids.
And how important are veggies in prenatal patients, postnatal?
Incredibly important.
These women to...
We live in a world of processed food, so if you can be cooking with fresh, healthy vegetables, you get your nutrients in addition to, you're taking prenatal vitamin, but it's much better and you absorb it better if you get it right from your food.
Right, okay.
Put your peas in there. Okay.
Gorgeous. That's so colorful too.
Yep. For the kids' food, now you can add chicken stock, you can add water. It's not really, you know, if you don't want to use chicken stock, veg stock, veg broth.
Right, so if you're a vegetarian, you can use veggie broth, water, easy. Great.
For the parents' oatmeal, we're going to be serving it with some beef short rib. I trimmed off some of the fat after I cooked them, okay? And we'll just add a little bit of additional seasoning to them. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and sear them right in the pan, get a little color on them. And put butter in the pan, and there you go, the beef's going. I'm going to put some of the par-cooked oatmeal into the parents' food. Now
this is nutrient dense, and it's very flavorful and nice
for
texture.
rice.
And rice doesn't have a ton of nutritional value.
No, it doesn't.
Especially when you go down to the white rice, there's not much left.
Put our oatmeal into our kids' food. Okay. You can turn our beef over. Oh, be careful. So sorry. Yeah, you got to be careful with the heat. Always tilt away from your... We're going to finish the mom and dad's oatmeal with a little bit of basil. Basil's a nice herb to use in any kind of risotto type of thing, or a... we're going to put some Parmesan into the
so good.
parents' risotto.
Beautiful.
I also brought a nice secret ingredient, which is truffle oil. Okay, and this is nice and tender too. You can see once you sear it, it gets, you know, the tenderness kind of comes out. It's real nice and like
looks juicy.
Like juicy and tender. It has great flavor to it.
Gorgeous.
Yep.
And this looks really easy to make.
Yeah, this looks great, and you can drizzle this with a little balsamic vinegar or balsamic reduction.
Or balsamic glaze, a little sweeter.
Yep.
Yeah. It's a great idea.
Put both pieces in one.
Just like risotto.
Oh my
Doesn't
goodness.
look like oatmeal at all.
And this is a great variation for lunch as well, instead of a sandwich or chips, or
Well, this is something
you can
they
put
can
a
take
little
and warm up at
container.
school.
Yeah. All right, who's first? Let's just all go in together.
Ladies first. This looks great. It looks very tasty and healthy.
Delicious.
Great.
I'm very excited for this one.
going in.
So let's go. Yeah. And the meat just falls apart.
Yeah, this looks great. It's a great combination.
And the oatmeal, you'd never know it's oatmeal. It
great
looks just like rice.
Yeah.
That's great.
That is delicious.
Really, really good.
Absolutely delicious. Well, I feel energized and full of energy from all this oatmeal. Thank you so much,
welcome.
Chef.
Thank you.
And Doctor, for joining me today on Cooking for Baby and Me. Thanks for having me.